You can see my screen, right? KNR.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I did modifications. What are the modifications I did? I set two parameters additionally. Okay, these two parameters are related to OMF concept. Okay, Oracle Managed Files concept. Okay, whenever if you want to keep data files into that location, so you have to specify plus data. Okay, the data files will be created in this disk group. If you want to keep redo log files into disk group, you have to specify a parameter is called db create online log test. Okay, if you want to keep the data files, you have to specify db create file test is equal to the disk group name. Then save. Then connect to SQL plus SSTDA, put it into normal state. Exit. Armin auxiliary. Run. So just allocate channels. Okay, if you allocate channel, the activity will be completed very quickly. Four channels I am allocating. Duplicate. Database to kprod. Backup location. And this is exactly like same in the core cloning. There the database name we are providing different, but here the database name is same. Okay, if the database name is same means it's a migration. If the database name is different means it's a clone. That is what the difference between clone and migration. Upgrade is nothing but if you change the version of the database, that will be the upgrade. Okay, if you perform upgrade, the version of the database will be updated from 11G to 12C or 11G to 19C or 12C to 19C. Again it failed. Like this way, we will get a number of errors. Again, I am putting in no amount state. Let me try like cd dollar home slash yes. Let's check. Create it sp file. Remove this first. Then put it into normal state. Again, it is failing with the parameter. Okay, it was not reading the p file earlier. Okay. db create online log test. So we have to check db underscore create underscore online log test. Okay. We have to keep one. Then save. Then again connect. Put it in normal state. Again try to restore. Environment auxiliary. Okay, we are getting continuously, right? This one. So we have some solution for this to implement. Let's try to implement that. Allocate channel C1 type, allocate channel C2 type, allocate channel C3 type. Allocate channels C4 type. Again, you have to run this. Let's see if it fails again. Okay, we will provide the solution. Okay, we have some bug concept. We have to give a keyword is called no file name check. If it is not working, again we have to stop the DB. Again we have to put it in no mode state. Then again we have to run the statement. So this is what the troubleshooting. Sometimes we may get this type of issues in the cloning activities. Let's see whether it is restoring into disk group or not. Okay, still, okay, again we got some other error. Write to SP file requested, but no SP file in use. Again it failed. But still the instance is available. Let me kill this. So let me connect to SQL plus create file from no, create SP file from this. Now again exit, put it into normal state. So what we have to do at the end of the solution, once it is fixed, okay, so we will get the solution, right? That solution we have to practice. Okay, all these things you can ignore. If you understand, that will be good. If you don't understand, you can ignore and proceed further. Again, I am giving this one, allocate channel C2, allocate channel C3, type disk, allocate channel C4 type disk, duplicate database to this one. There is some other keyword I am adding. No file name check. Okay, this is the keyword we have to add. So I think it will definitely will be fixed. Okay, as per my understanding, we'll see whether it is fixed or not. It is failing with an error. We'll see. What are the errors we have? Most of the things we clear. Again, executing restore. Okay, now it can able to restore the control file. It is trying to restore the data files. I think mostly it will be successful. Restore completed.
సార్
చెప్పండి ఏమన్నా
ఈ సెషన్ లో ఉంది కదా మొత్తం ఇప్పుడు వరకు మీరు చేసిన ప్రాక్టీస్ మొత్తం
ఉమ్.
నేను మొత్తం మాకు పంపిస్తున్నాను నోట్ ప్యాడ్ లో
ఇదా ఇది
ఆ,
మొత్తం ఉండదు
అంటే
మీకు.
ఎర్రర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా అవి కొంచెం చదువుకుని అర్థం చేసుకున్నది
కాపీ ఆల్ టు
ఆల్
కీబోర్డ్ and put it into
నోట్ ప్యాడ్
notepad.
స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి వచ్చేస్తాయి కదా మీరు సెషన్ పెట్టుంటారు కదా లైన్స్
స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి మాక్సిమం వచ్చేస్తాయి. లైన్స్ ఏం పెట్టలేదు కదా, ఎక్కువ లైన్స్ ఉండవు కదా, 2000 లైన్స్ ఉంటాయి మొత్తం. Okay, I think now it is fixed. The restore is completed. Now we are moving to the component is actually valid, it is showing. Okay, if it in case invalid, okay, there is a component, right? That component, you have to check the component status always. So comp id status from dba, this is true. So the rack component is showing invalid. Okay, then we have to run a statement is called rdbms admin. You have to run this. If you run this particular SQL, this component will become valid. Okay, I'm just running it again. I'm running it for understanding. So by default, the component status will be invalid. So if you run this, it will become valid. Core group lo ping చేయండి. Hi everyone, please join the session అని చెప్పి కోర్ గ్రూప్ లో పింగ్ చేయండి.
కోర్ గ్రూప్ లో ఓకే సార్.
ఫోన్ దగ్గరలో లేదు. Okay, let me cancel it. So after running this, if you check the component status, it should definitely show valid. Okay, it is loaded, it is showing, right? It should be valid. Okay, I'll run this and I'll update you. Okay, the next steps, what are the next steps will be are very important. Till now we did like core concept. Okay, so whatever we did in core cloning, the same thing we did. Okay, we try to make the component valid, but still it is taking a lot of time. That's why we are canceling this request. Okay, tomorrow I'll make this component valid, then I'll show remaining steps. Mohan. So Mohan, Kiran, can you
Yes,
please,
sir.
everyone please rejoin the meeting. Okay, so this
Okay,
session will be recorded.
Sir, in the core or rack?
The recording మనం ఇది కట్ చేస్తాము. Again you need to re-log in the meeting.
Okay, sir.